Welcome to Peaceful Pause. Before we start the gratitude meditation, find a comfortable seated position or lie down, whichever feels best for you. Take a moment to settle into your space, allowing your body to relax and your mind to become still. Let's begin by taking a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling the expansion of the belly and your chest. Allow the breath fill your lungs, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you may be holding on to. Do these a few more times at your own pace. As we embark on this journey of gratitude, I invite you to bring your awareness to the present moment. Let go of any worries or distractions, and allow yourself to be fully present here with yourself and your breath. Take a moment to reflect on all the blessings in your life, both big and small. Consider the people, experiences, and opportunities that have brought joy and meaning into your world. Mentally list the little blessings in your life you are grateful for. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into a state of gratitude. Feel a sense of warmth and appreciation spreading throughout your body, filling you with a sense of contentment. Now, let's focus on expressing gratitude towards ourselves. Take a moment to acknowledge your strengths, accomplishments, and inner qualities. Recognize the value that you bring to the world and the positive impact you have on those around you. Take this time to appreciate yourself and affirm yourself. As we continue to cultivate gratitude, let's extend our appreciation to others. Think of the people who have supported you, uplifted you, and stood by your side through both good times and bad. Send them thoughts of gratitude and love. Finally, let's broaden our perspective and express gratitude towards the world around us. Reflect on the beauty of nature, the abundance of resources, and the interconnectedness of all living beings. Offer thanks for the gift of life itself. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to notice how you feel. Notice any shifts in your mood, your energy, or your outlook on life. Know that you can return to this place of gratitude whenever you need to center yourself and find peace. Thank you for joining me in this guided gratitude meditation. May you carry the spirit of gratitude with you throughout your day, spreading kindness and appreciation wherever you go. Take care, and until next time, be well.